everyone! Welcome back to another Yiddish grammar video. Today, we'll be looking at reflexive verbs in Yiddish. What are reflexive verbs? Reflexive verbs are verbs which can't be used on their own and need the word self afterwards. For example, the verb to learn in Yiddish is reflexive, meaning you can't say ich lerne, I learn, but ich lerne mich, I myself am learning. Every pronoun has its own reflexive pronoun used with these verbs. Today I'll be showing you these reflexive pronouns and I'll show you how to use them. If you'd like to watch my video on conjugating regular verbs first, I'll leave a link in the description. Okay then, let's start. Ich lerne mich. Die lernst dich. Sie, es lernt sich. Ihr lernt euch. Wir lernen sich. Es lernt sich. Zij lernen sich. Here are some more verbs using these reflexive pronouns. Ich verschäme mich. I am embarrassed. Ich beug mich. I bend. Ich sorg mich. I worry. Ich eil mich. I hurry. Ich beruhig mich. I calm down. Let's do some practice examples. I'll give you a sentence using a reflexive verb and it'll be your job to conjugate it correctly. As always, I'll leave a cheat sheet in the corner to give you a hand. If you need more time, feel free to pause the video at any time. Let's go! She bends over to pick it up. Sie beugt sich über, es sie aufheben. You, plural, are hurrying to make it in time. Es eilt sich, sie es machen en saat. He goes to sleep early. Legt sich schlafen früh. The orange rotted quickly. Der Maranz hat sich schnell verdorben. The children are behaving well. Die Kinder vieren sich geht auf. You, formal, are worrying too much. Ihr sorgt euch zu viel. I need to calm down. Ich darf mich beruhigen. That's it for today! How many did you get correct? Is there any other Yiddish grammar topic you'd like to see me cover? If so, let me know in the comments. Tack för idag, lehitraot, tschüss and auf Wiedersehen!